Okay, so hey everyone, I'm going to be able to try the Miss Myers stuff now that I'm in a better place to do so. So I have all three of these. So again, it's the soap, the dish soap, and the surface, multi-surface spray. I'm going to try doing this all in one shot, basically. All right, so I'm going to try the soap real quick because that's always one of my favorites. And it always doesn't smell too strong, so let's see here. So, it comes out clear like always. Now there's a little scent in the air, but it's not really strong. So once again, yeah, it's okay. It kind of smells more, I guess in a way, maybe it does smell like, it kind of smell like what you would think leaves would smell like. But at the same time, when you smell certain things, do you really want it to smell like what it's saying it really is? Not necessarily. You might want it to smell a little different. Like with leaves, you really want it to smell like, it came from a tree. I don't know. But that makes sense. I don't know. But let me just try the dish soap and see if that has maybe a little better of an aura. So let's just kind of put some in this coffee cup here. Kind of swish it around. Use a sponge. Okay. Yeah, I don't really... Honestly, to me, it just kind of smells a little bit like dirt. Like I said, kind of like it's literally from a tree. And just because it's fall leaves doesn't mean you want it to smell like it's on a tree or coming from a tree. I don't know. Like when you smell, trying to put a good example, like a forest. It ain't necessarily going to smell like an actual forest. It's going to smell better than a forest. Like woods, you get those kind of smells. Like who was really good at that was Bath and Body, but of course I can't use them anymore because they're non-cruelty free, and I don't even know if they're vegan. I've never actually looked at their ingredients. They probably put beeswax in their candles, but they were really good at, yeah, that's not the smell you really are gonna want to get, is like literally a woods, and it just smells kind of like dirt. So that's kind of where Miss Myers is failing on this one. Let's try the multi-surface real quick. But hopefully that makes sense to you guys if I'm explaining it correctly. So let's try, I'm gonna spray it a little bit closer to me so I can try to smell it. Oh no. Yeah, smells kind of too musky. Yeah, I don't really like it. It smells like a musky soap. Like it's really not, I don't know. It's just not what I thought. I don't know. I thought it'd smell more like fall, like kind of like the acorn spice, but maybe even better. I don't know. I'm just very disappointed in this one. It's better than the pumpkin because the pumpkin was like a nasty, nasty smell. Like, I don't know, like nobody probably wants to smell that. I'd rather smell trash maybe. I don't know. That's how bad that one was. But I would say this isn't actually as good as the pear tree from last year. So sorry, Miss Myers, I'm really not liking this one this year. Man, if you could do something like your apple cider or your acorn spice again, but like that good, you be in business. But I don't know, maybe your fall scents are kind of done. I don't know. Well, that's all I have for you today. And yeah, so if I were you, maybe try one, just if you want to try it, because a lot of times I like to try things even if people have negative reviews. And then if you end up liking it, that's awesome. I wish I did. And you could always give it a try, and then if you like it, buy the others. But I would definitely not buy more than one just to see what you actually think of the smell. I mean, I wasn't able to actually go in the store and get these. I had to order it through the app. So that's why if I would have went in, like I said in my other video, if I would have smelled it, yeah, I would have definitely not have picked it up. So, all right, well, thank you for watching. I hope that this kind of helped you. Let me know if you guys feel the same way, or maybe I'm just crazy, I don't know. But yeah, hopefully you have a good fall, and I will maybe do another video before Halloween, or 2 maybe. Not really sure. I'm moving right now, so that's why I've been a little in the dark with videos. But I appreciate you watching regardless, and I hope that you have a great day, and follow, like, share, subscribe, I mean. And you can also go on my Instagram, and it's just 80s Lover if you want to follow me on there. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.